Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and welcome to my channel. And this is part 2 of bags that I received from the company LASNV. They have a big website of all kinds of bags, anything you could ever want. Totes and purses, the beautiful evening bags. They have fanny packs that are now called chest bags. They have backpacks, and they have children's bags, all kinds of bags for your little one. And I had part 1, I showed you a couple of beautiful bags, and now I have this set. This is beautiful. Oops, let me grab the handle there. This is a beautiful, and again, crocodile. I love the crocodile bag. This bag has 6 pieces with it. So let me tell you a little bit about this bag. This is called the 6-piece set card bags, and it is in a beautiful brown, as you can see. They do have different sets. This particular set just comes in the brown, but they do have different types of sets like this. So there's adjustable straps and everything. And they do have a sale going on right now. It's called the Spring Fan promotion. And with the code LASNV10, you'll get $10 off your order. And they also have a promotion where if you buy $50 or more, you'll save $6, and you can pack those discounts on. You can use both of them. The quality is assured. They assure that you will like the item, or you'll get a refund. And this 6-piece set, let's open it up and see. I did take all the packaging off. There was, it was in plastic and everything, but it has beautiful gold hardware, and this one has these handles. And on the back of this bag is a zipper. Let's let me see how deep that goes. It's a nice, it's nice to have an outside pocket for things. It's not very deep, but it's perfect to hold your cell phone or your tickets, or whatever you might need like that. And then you would carry it, to against you that way. So it's just beautiful. Let's see what else is in here. I'm excited because there are 6 pieces. So, all right, let me take everything out and I'll show you the big bag. All right, it is lined with a nylon lining, and it has a zipper on the back wall. Zipper right here. And that is about the same size as the outside zipper. And on the other side, there are 2 pockets? Yeah, on this side, there's 2 pockets on the wall. Like this would hold some pens, and maybe this would hold your lippy or something. And it has little feet on the bottom, which is nice. And I love the alligator print. I love that print. And six different bags. That's one. Okay, and then we have this. And this bag, oh, how cute is this? Oh, wow. This is fancy, y'all, okay? This is the way this locks. You see that? You'll press on this and then open it this way. So it keeps that secure. And then that is your zipper pull. And both bags have these. So I think there's gonna be some straps in here somewhere. And then inside this bag, okay, you can pop this out, and it has somewhat of a flat bottom to it. This is great for your tablet. I don't know, a small laptop would fit in here, but not a large laptop, okay? Isn't that pretty? It's really pretty. It's lined, and it has a zipper pocket on the back wall, and then the other side has 2 pockets just like the big bag has, where you can put some pens and maybe a lippy or something in there, okay? So, and then when you want to close it, zipper, the pull is so pretty, and then it has this little push. This goes like this and fits in here, and push it through, and it locks. It pops up and it's locked. Isn't that pretty? That's snazzy. I'd call that snazzy. And then bag number 3. Let me take out what's inside. Okay. Bag number 3 is a handbag as well. And you know, you can put some things in these bags to pop them out. Of course, if you put your wallet and things like that in here, it will pop out. This is really cute. Here's the shape of it. And there's the bottom. And this has some dark brown trim to it. Very pretty. And again, like I said, you have to pop it out a little bit because it's been traveling. It's been traveling from China to me. So this has pretty, I love that dark trim on there. That's pretty. And then the inside is the same. It has the zippered wall, the zipper on the back wall. And then the front wall has a couple of pockets where you can put some pens or lippy. It's not really wide enough to put a cell phone in, but it is fully lined. And that is cute. That's cute. So, you know, you think about it when you're traveling. You need a few different bags. So this would be your purse that you'd use. And then we have 3 other bags. One still has a plastic on it. I'm sorry, I didn't realize that. We have what looks like a wallet. Very nice. Did I tell you all the price of this? This is $37.33 for all 6 pieces. Okay, so this zips all the way around, and then it does have some stuffing in it. This is a nice wallet, y'all. Let's see if I can show you. It has, on the one wall, it has places for your credit cards. And the other wall, the other side is the same, places for your credit cards. And then there's a zipper compartment in the center. So you can put, you know, your credit cards, your ID, whatever. You can put some bills in here and some coins in here. And that's very nice. And then it zips all the way around to keep everything in there secure. Very nice. I'll put that in my bag. And then we have a little key holder. So this is very nice. It has a hook, so you can hook this to your purse. Do y'all remember these? My aunt used to have one of these. She had 1,000 keys. So when you open this up, it does have the leather in the back, or the PU leather, and it has this felt lining. And there's a place for a bunch of keys. You hook your keys right to these. These are those little, I don't know if you call those a lobster clasp or whatever. So you hook your keys on here, and then you'll put your keys in, and then you close it like this. It snaps in 2 places to keep it secure, and all your keys are in there. A lot of people still carry these. And then this, if you want to, you can hook it to anything on your bag. You can hook it on the outside of your bag somewhere, or you could just throw it in your bag. And then number 6 piece is this. So this is adorable. This has a handle, really cute. And inside here is a strap. Okay. So let me take that out of there. There's a strap. This is adorable. It has that felt kind of lining to it. And this is just, you know, anything can go in here. Cosmetics, you know, whatever you want. And then it has this kind of a handle to it. Just grab and go. Grab and go. And then here is the strap that is adjustable. Let's see, it has the loops that'll go on any of the bags that you want to use. Let me okay. All right, so it's adjustable. See, it can get quite long. So you can use this on any of the bags. Well, not the little bags, but you can hook this onto this bag, this locked bag, which I think is the cutest thing, that it locks. You could hook this on your main purse. To me, this is the main purse. So cute. Or you could hook it on the big tote. And then you put your, like I said, your tablet in here. And then this will fit in here. Well, it's a little big. It's a little big for this. But you can carry that separate, you know, your tablet close to you. Or it does fit in here. Just have to put it on its side. And then, you know, then I don't know how good it would hold your tablet. But everything fits back in here if you need to. But I would use this tote maybe with the big strap put it on my shoulder with the big strap maybe. And then I have this for my purse. Fantastic. What did I say it was? $37.33 for all these pieces. Okay, so you have your purse. I just love the shape of it and everything. I love the colors. Whoops. And you have your big tote. And the strap that can be used in different places. You have this cute little grab and go bag. And where did I put the other bags? I think I put them in the purse. You have this. I love this for carrying your tablet around and locking it. I love it. And the wallet that zips all the way around, secure. And your key fob. Would you call this a key fob? Not really sure. Very nice. Very, very nice. Thank you, LASNV, for sending this to me. This is beautiful. In part 1, I show a single bag and I show a set of 3 bags. And then this is a set of 6. This is perfect for traveling. This is perfect for a weekend, in my opinion. You have a pretty bag, and then you can carry some, pajamas, a change of clothing in here. You can grab your tablet and carry it with you. Or you could use this. I could use this every day, taking things back and forth to work. And it's just really pretty. I love the alligator look to it. So that is it. 6-piece set. And it is, they do give the specs on the website and everything. So you can check that out. There's the handbag, the clutch, the wallet, the large bag, the card holder, and the shoulder bag. And that is what I have from LASNV. Go ahead and check out their website. I'll have all the information below. And use that code. It'll get you $10 off your order. And then if you spend over $50, you'll get $6 extra off. So they have that special, the spring special spring fan spring fan promotion going on. So check it out and see if you like to get any bags. And there's several. I've seen a bunch of videos from LASNV. It's been a couple weeks since I've seen any. But if you watch any other channels, you probably have seen other bags, so you may already have an idea of what you like. But they have added and added and added so many bags to their website. So check them out, y'all, and take care and count your blessings. Bye-bye.